Hello लोगोफोर दिनै गेमगोन लायगोन जोङो GTA 5 आरो दिनै जोङो GTA 5 आव खालामगोन दि Cayo Perico Heistखौ स्टार्ट आरो नै मिशनखौ जों कमप्लिट खालामनाबा बहुत माल मोनगोन सावदों दायो हाइस्टखौ स्टार्ट खालामनो लेट्स गो गारिखौ नैयाव पार्क खालामगोन गाइस दायो जोङो पार्क खालामनो थांगोन जोङो हाइस्टखौ स्टार्ट खालामनो फुरा स्टाइलाव नांगोन visit to carry versus construct version तो गाइस हाइस्टखौ स्टार्ट खालामनो गारने मोनसे बुस्थु बायनांगोन इनि नामा जाबाय साबमारिन 50 साबमारिन बायनांगोन फार्स्टआवनो तो दायो थांगोन जोङो वेबसाइटआव फाइनाली बायबाय गाइस जोङो साबमारिनखौ
So it begins. The funds are transferred, the paperwork is complete, and you are the Capitan now. I am Helmsman Pavel, reporting for duty. Did someone mention sub comes with top-level operative for covert actions? Well, that's me. Come aboard and I will give you the tour, and we will talk about what Mini Madrazo has in store for us. This will be fun.
The guys हाइस्टखौ मारै स्टार्ट खालामो नायनां ट्रेना समायबाय बेलेगसो मोनबाय बाइ सेकेन्डनि हिसाबाव खारोबे ड्राइभिं आंनि गाइस स्केजुलखौ नोंसोर मिथिबायानोखा दायो ये रेड स्टार्ट करा भाई गैंग एरियानि जायगायाव थांनो हाया बिरना थांगोन गाइस जाय गारिखौ जोङो फाइटिं सिदायैनो दोङो बे जेटस्की होनबा टेनसन गैला आरो इयाव अरे इयाव थ' जेटस्की मोननो दान नोङो बे इलेक्ट्रिक गारियाव थांनो हानांगौ जानांगौ माबायाव मानिखौ सिगांसो मोनगोन गोदो बे जेटस्की नांगौ जेटस्की इयावबो गैया जेटस्की बे बट मोनसे दङ इनि सिगाङाव बटखौ नायनि मानसि दङ ना इयाव बटआनो गैया जाबाय दोङो बे बटआ सानसे थांनि र' बटआव लोगो गाइस दा जों सानसेना थांगोन साबमारिननि जायगायाव बेनि उनाव स्टार्ट खालामनांगोन गोदो मिशनखौ मा बुस्थु जानो माने बट नंगौना नङा फुरा थांखायो जोङो सानसे दायो जोङो अब उठिबे नहीं उठिना अरे भाई Kan iku zona dong gue. Utang nih jawab. Itu bot kelana ya gedeng gue.
What the hell?
Ya lo, menang tahu bang. जो बे भाई फाइनली भाई बोट कौन बैठे बोट के इखने करना है बोरा बीर खाई पूरा गुली निष्क्रिय रंगन डाई गई जगह ओ भाई समरी ना जगह अगर ये उठी नहीं ऐसे कदर बता जगन पंखर kan डाई है Oh yes, finally uti bay. Enter hamon da jeng. Jeng ni bay ni summary now. Tat mare hamon be mission gai se kada batal dai. Oh, ma kan sa da da. Da bareng na mai hobe.
Don't touch anything. Come through here. Mind your head.
Sir boling de be.
Ah, Capitan. I have been expecting you. Come, welcome aboard.
Sir man si.
Beautiful, yes? The jewel of late Soviet
Pangharam naman si Damay.
engineering with state-of-the-art systems
Probable.
and upgrades. Yes. Ah, converted to be fully operational by skeleton crew of what? Allow me to introduce myself. I am Pavel, helmsman first class, also chief engineer, gunner, radar technician, and cook. You join me for red caviar later. 20 years old, but tastes like
multitasking man si.
Don't worry. We have not taken a leak. No, this is moon pool. Allows for storage and launch of secondary craft, submersibles, so on. But we are getting ahead of ourselves. Ah, come, double time. No, your friend Mini Madrazo gets in touch with me just in time.
Mini Madrazo ne ganne kam agunda.
Some serious geopolitical bullshit, but who wants to get stuck on the bottom of the ocean with 3 IA agents and angry blogger? Before that was on Brazil-West Africa route. Now that was easy money. Don't touch this. Before that, I faked sailing accident for Liberty State Governor. Not so easy. Don't touch this either. Before that, North Pole. Touch this, and we all die. Before that, I forget. The 90s in Russia were a hell of a drug. Huh? These you can touch. Now, the Caribbean, huh? Mini Madrazo explained me the details. This is quite the plan you have hatched, huh? I should let you know, these will not be the first sensitive documents I have liberated. But Mini Madrazo pays better than the Canadian government. I think, yeah. This man you are robbing, one Strickler, El Rubio? Cartel boss, cocaine manufacturer, all around bad guy. His little island is better fortified than many countries. Fortified compound, barracks, airfield, sea defenses, air defenses. The documents will be behind the way. You will have to plan. You will have to research. There are many ways to thread a needle in a haystack, huh, my friend? This is why you need me. Huh? You want to know what the element of surprise looks like, my friend? You are standing in it, huh? You have never had a base of operations like this before, I think, huh? Periscope, there.
Periscope bring.
Torpedoes.
Torpedoes, why torpedoes mane mai be.
Huh? This I not show you. And room for upgrades, guided missiles, sonar, if you can afford them. Any questions?
No.
First order of business, you must get onto the island and take a look around. There is executive private party, and you are the entertainment. Or with the entertainment, you are the DJ's tour manager. I have us here, son. Yes, it is kind of music. Adam Port, Rampa, and me, and you. You are number 4. You will meet at executive airport, and off you fly. I will be lurking in the deep, like post-Soviet Kraken, telling you what to do on the radio. Now, whenever you are ready, the bridge is yours, Capitan. Just press go.
Yes. Map ini island ni maybe. Register as a boss, access to planning. Cayo iba jangan jago Cayo. तो guys tadi finally start kamu kan guys ke let's go mama ngayon dive di Kasaka Kenny Mosuka will allow you to prepare enter हम ना guys midi Devon Malaysia private terminal I mudu nggak be tadi ke soalnya nang nama be tadi soalnya nang nih driving mudu nggak be dah sebutin dong be driving Imaro ibe naik ini mungkin dengan be soalnya kena oh I first time soalnya kena Tamarin bo ibe soalnya kena be drive kan nih yes let's go lagi for first time so lagi why submarine be
Okay, you have earpiece working, Capitan? You
yes
hearing me? Good. Mini Madrazo says the Englishman Dave, Kinda Music, and the other party people are on the way to SIA. Meet them on the tarmac. You will travel to the island together.
me drive glacier primary
Mr. Rubio's parties are an exclusive business. A-list from top to bottom, you understand?
by my
Disguise is waiting for you
guru
on the plane, but more importantly, you must be natural around such people. Personally, I don't know how he persuades these celebrities to come. Don't these people think about, how you say, the optics? Did Mini Madrazo mention that he has paid the submarine expenses this time? Running a base of operations such as this is not cheap. The next time, you will need to cover the cost.
cover the course seamable to
Be ready for fun, for party, and for going undercover at secret lair of most dangerous drug lord on planet. But don't worry too much. You are in good hands. I have your GPS trace and secure communications channel. I will be following your progress, cross-referencing your location with satellite images, blueprints, logs. You are the boots on the ground. I am the eye in the sea, huh? I will advise, warn, provide information, but there is only one Capitan, and this is your operation. If you are caught and tortured, I will not be able to help, but I will tell anyone who listens what a brave soul you were. I have run many operations, Capitan, but nothing quite like this. My submarine and me, we have toppled governors, sabotaged pipelines, smuggled many different substances across every maritime border in existence. I have seen things you Americans would not believe. But this plan, this takes the biscuit and the cake. You know, before this, Mini Madrazo had been working on some very boring jobs. Smuggling, revenge assassinations, water taxi, you know. I was just about to quit and get involved in some federal bullshit when you came along. Just in time to give me the highlight of my career.
Kirin bisa namamu nih. Siri tha. Khara ke be. Laki-laki nang wadah deh. Roket launcher nama mana? Jwng dah yang karena nang ini. Enggak sungguh mana be. Guys, submarine ke lagi nih. Bye. ओंखारगोनदां इनिफ्राय stand up E थुगोन दायो साखिनि गिदिर थांनांगोन दे नै भितरखौ exit consta exit खालामगोन दा बाय डेन्जारेस नाङो बे भयानक जागोन नुयो बे दा जों सानसे नांगोन अबे भाई माबा बुस्थु लादो बे माबा बुस्थु लादो औवा लानानै बा साखिन थांनो हायाखै बे अबे केक सारा मादार हिलिंसो जादों हेल्थखौ चेक खालामना होयो स्क्रिनाबो मोनसे टास्क नायावहाय हागराव मिथियानो मस्त गोथौना हागरा कारण दा थांगोन जोङो मी डेभ एन्ड केनिस मुसुक एट दि लेसिया प्राइभेट टार्मिनेल इउलांनानै लोगो हमनांगोन इसोर खानै मानसिखौ खाराखै बे केरेक्टारा मानोबा बेनि साइड सिदा थांनांगोन थांनाय रास्ता गैया जोंनिथिं बे गारि थानाबो सेफायनो हागौमोन थाबायलाबाय थांबाय थानांगोन दा बय मबा दङ दा माबा रास्ताया नैबे हाबना गया बेखौ हागे अरे यार बेसेबां खालामनो बे भाई बहुत नागिरनासो मोनदों बे नै मोनसे रास्ताया आरो नै मोनसे रास्तायाव सोरनिबा निउज बेन्च होनदों बे सोरनिबा गारिबो दङ इयाव मा गारिनिखा मसल गारि थांबाय दा guys मोनेबो मोनैया गोजान नङा बे आरो मोनबाय दे आथिं निगिनांलागोन नामा आङो हाया न नैया गाइस ओमफ्राय जों जायाखै
I can't believe they're gonna pay us.
Munis kelahannya beda deh.
Oh, can we post? Is there a hashtag? Hashtag fuck
Hey, bini
yeah.
Lady, so glad you could make it. Come on, let's have some. Mwah. And you, mate, Miguelito's new best joke. What we gotten ourselves into, eh? Word of advice for over there. Do what I say, not what I do. Let's try and come out of this with all our ears and a bit of suntan, okay?
Hey, folks, just to let you know, we have our window, so whenever you're ready.
Be there in a jiffy, Captain. Got
Ini bisa pilih pilot, driver.
Hold that for me and do the honors.
Foto dia kan dengan guys sih.
Smile for the camera. Everyone say jet set.
Ready go.
Keep him coming, matey. Now, I've got 3 rules on Air English Dave. Anything goes after 10,000 feet. You can kick when you've landed, and you ain't flown in one of these unless it's all over the social.
Fuck yeah.
Now, serious faces, ladies.
Dave! Yo, Dave!
Fuck! Lads! Peace and love, my brothers!
Looking good, man.
Adam!
What's up, Dave?
And me!
Dave, fine.
How's she look? Now this one will not crash, I promise.
Yeah, we heard about that story.
No, it wasn't that bad. He's still going, isn't he?
भाई काम चालू करने पूरा बेस
Come
इसमें
on,
ना
Dre, who the fuck are these people?
Don't worry about it. Calm down.
इसे
But I
लाइक
hope
से
you brought the music. Tell me you brought the music.
Look, the music is in my phone, in my car, at your house.
Somebody's slipping.
Tell me you guys are pulling up right now.
No, boss. We got a problem. The car is gone.
Damn. What the fuck?
Shit, Dre, what's in that phone? Anything about me?
Private financial shit, naked pictures, but more importantly, a lot of my fucking music, demos, unreleased shit. This could be a fucking problem.
Feel like this vacation over before the motherfucker got started.
Hey, guess what? We're not going. We're gonna send somebody else.
I had my flip-flops, weed, condoms, all packed up.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right.
Already,
Whatever. Right, let's enjoy some of that airline hospitality, eh? Bubbles, blow, and beats. Ladies, we are just getting
Let's go.
started.
Getting started. Kayo Jwng ni plan na bit by the island daw. Cayo Perico Island. Ay sumpa almost.
Oh my god, it's beautiful!
Oh, भाई bodyguard पुरम भाई बना खा के ऐसे नहीं bodyguard.
Me too, it's hot!
Come on,
I think Jwng
come
kailan na
on,
pwede
get
ganun.
on with it. Oh, fuck me. Barbie, innit?
ऐसे ला.
Here,
Lila no way Lila
what
bodo
do you
abeli.
feel like? Now you're really going to start sweating when you see our host.
एकदम hero
Let's
बन
hope he's
गया.
got enough up his nose he won't smell the deception, eh? Nah, just winding you up. He will most certainly be spangled. Oh, here he is.
नहीं बने करे.
Davey!
Davey.
Welcome to paradise!
Ah, Monsieur Rubio!
Hold me, Blondie, eh? No, bring it in here, guys. Look at you.
Our pleasure,
You
man.
guys are so fucking cool, huh?
Nice to meet you.
Hey, everything good, huh? Flight was okay? You got everything you need?
Yeah, we good.
Great.
The flight was easy, no
It's
problems.
amazing.
Thanks for having us, Juan.
But, wait, are you shitting me? No, thank you, huh? My oppa was German. Must be why I love the techno.
We got some cool stuff planned. Really beach party vibes.
Yeah, should be sexy.
Sexy. Oh, wait till you guys see the beach. Huh? I knew I was gonna love them, huh? Hey, you guys gotta come back, huh? I will come see you in Berlin, only I can't really travel right now, huh? Global Pole sucks ass. I swear, man, you have no idea.
All right, can you show us where to set up?
Of course. Where's Gustavo? Hey, I mean it, guys. You gotta come back, huh? Gustavo! Kiffy,
Stabo.
I told you not to go anywhere. Take our friends to the stage, huh? Show them the setup. Do you think you could do that? You feed the panther? Oh, you did something right, finally, huh? All right, now run along. Just wait, guys. Everything you asked for and more, huh? It's gonna be a fucking party. Guests are all here. Best crowd money can buy. Oh, hey! And you're not on the mainland now, huh? My rules. Anything goes!
Let's go. All right.
Davey, you guys are with me.
Yeah, lovely.
Hey, I don't think we met.
Oh, yeah, this is, it's the tour manager, isn't it? Holds the whole operation together.
Okay, cool. This is our ride.
Langkat sini
Tour
lagi.
manager, you can drive us, right?
Hero ni sini lagi main hero ini. I think ang solay na gan gadi ya.
Down to the beach. Chop, chop.
Guys, gadi gadi yang solay kan. Bye.
Okay, this road. Straight up. Ahead. Go!
How are we looking then, Governor? Same setup as per? Yeah, you've thrown a few of these shindigs before. No need to tamper with the winning formula.
I was hoping for some special guests, but they had to pull out. Don't worry. I'm not gonna let it ruin it for me. We're still going to party.
Yeah, that is wisdom, brother. Live in the now and the here. It's what my shaman
Pura
tells me when
bodyguard
I'm
na
feeling
be.
too skim for a session.
Do you use that guy from Tulum?
Which one? Can't throw a bloody espadrille without hitting a shaman down there. Here, hold on.
The new
This motor
GPS
got
system
somewhere
क्या
I can
करें
stick a USB.
markup
I'll put a
से
little mix together. Get us in the mood.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Sure, I got someplace.
Sweet.
If I'd have known you were gonna play DJ Davey, I would have called a different booker.
Righto. Duly noted.
You two are working for me today, right? My place, my rules. You don't step out of line.
Yes, yes, mate. Yeah, of course. We're here to make sure this party goes off without a hitcheroo.
Okay. I'll have an eye.
Dragon berapa guys?
Be that as it may, there is no fucking way that shit will slide. Not tonight, not ever. Oh, hi, Juan. The guests are here, they've got drinks, kind of music are just setting up. Things are going really great.
You guys go ahead. Enjoy yourselves, huh?
Oh, and there's someone you simply must meet. He's right over here.
Wait, this guy?
Yeah?
Hey, man. It's my party. Who are you?
Hey, I'm Scott Storch. Who sent me? I'm the backup because they couldn't make it.
You. Okay, well, remind me what you... Who the fuck are you?
Who am I? I'm one of the biggest record producers of all time. Scott Storch.
Oh, shit, okay. Big-time record producer. All right, great. Not as great as the other guy. Great, man. I can't wait to listen.
You've probably been listening to my records your whole life.
Whatever. They talked to you about the thing?
Yeah, no problem. Whatever you need me to say.
Cool, okay.
Hey, out of curiosity, how much were you paying the other guy?
Oh no.
Are we cool or what?
Yeah. We're cool, man. No problem at all.
Okay. I love you, man. You're on in two. A word.
Absolutely.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, feel that? It's about to get sexy. Look, when it kicks off, sneak out the back and have yourself a goosey gander, yeah? Right, come with me. Excuse me. Mind your backs. Coming through. Listen, Dave's being a good boy tonight. Clean as a whistle. No tranks. I'll jump on the old jetaroo with you whenever you want to go. Yeah, can't smash them all, can we? Got to know when to say ixnay. Hold on. Here we go.
Excuse me. I just want to say a few words. We're all here because of one
Tayo guys, party
Kindest,
party.
most generous man I know. Juan Strickler. El Rubio. My brother.
Whose party is this?
I don't know, but it's gonna be sick. A lot gets
Wow,
written
वैसे
about
party
you
के
on
ना
the
मिथ्या
internet.
party हो बना से नहीं
They
वाली.
talk about cocaine, turf wars, missing journalists. But you know what they never say? How big your heart is. You're beautiful. You're a humanitarian. And you throw the best parties in the world. So from all of us, we thank you.
Stop it. I said, oh, come on. I said no speeches, huh? You're embarrassing me. Huh? But thank you, my brother. Well, maybe more like my half-brother, right? Hey, he's got a lot of hits from the 2000s, eh? All right. Who's ready to fucking party? I give you China music!
Let's go fucking large!
दादा kan guys party ya. Guys, naik nabu popon jamari jadang ni. Sayang guys, sneakin ham nanggan. Asunung kada asuna. Guys party ni para mare guys janang game thei ni sir. Asun dang na bung bana gaya party ki.
Captain, it's me, Pavel. How is the party? Try to look like real tour manager, yes? Now that the DJs are playing and job is done, you get real bloody messy, huh? Stick around as long as you like. Party will go forever. And when you are ready, perhaps you can sneak past guards near where you come in.
Exit gate. Hey, sige mari para sana langin ke.
Captain, are you okay? Still maintaining cover, yes? Easy to do at party like that. Very good commitment to character. Stay as long as you like. Then you just need to find a way to sneak away.
Excuse me. There's no going past here.
Oh, bike nang na be marang bang. Oh, hinang na kan bang. So guys, naging full hapsap lang din. अरे zoom ना मैं क्या है क्या इंगे पेश नो हो गया कहीं awkward nuwakin kay gate ke par jana hero bu ya gale na sih gate ke finally par jabe la guys jang abe yaar नहीं तो कैसे देंगे बे अबे यार aku jangan yang dan bain baby yo beje di ham de guys ini badla tu laga ni sirga time pa ba
And I cannot see guards, although I can guess where they will be stationed. You are in the driving seat, Capitan. You must trust your own judgments. I will help where I can.
badi nang
You're
yan
alive. I am surprised. They must think you are
ini
famous, so
help
they
mobile
are
sama
reluctant to kill you.
udah guys par jani yaar mere penang tha bebe भाई गाड़ी हम तो भी भाई गाड़ी भी मादर का ini baru makin nang 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 dah tu unta sangka jeng be I think nih nang 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 beat farm nih kejar kejar tangan dai guys jeng cooking kasih deng be siapa marah nih teman angka jeng guys rawung kinu oke ba भाई 10 बार ट्राई हमने इन उसमें बैठी होगा से अब उन उड़े मैंने बार हम जब नहीं बार टाइम पास का वाला सीने भाई 10 बार 5 बार तो ट्राई हम बैठे भाई भाई अब हमने इधर भाई से उड़े बैठे रहो तो राबू गया तो भाई मर जागा हम भाई यो ang kingkare murang nang gansi nari nang right lanang nik nih bilang niki nang gan be kari bilang gitu ya aku masih gaya bener easy guys saya shiny per nura tong ke akar tang itu uy gelis sih bener Isa man si tanah nebe. Ma jaga be. Almost berang. Please raudu ko sana. So guys. Jago almost menpai yang finally 10 बार try हमने नो भाई गान बन गया बे गांव में साला भर के
Okay, you should be able to see the compound now. Take a good look. That's where the files must be. But based on my information, there is also a security checkpoint ahead of you. Yes? Well, now is not the time for full frontal, Capitan. We must be clever. So we use their CCTV against them. Wait there.
Wait for probable locate an access point. Probable ka nang ganda mga location access point nga lang din niya.
Okay, next step. If I am reading
भाई
satellite
साहब
images correctly, there is communications tower near your current position. If I am right, it should be visible. It will be the highest point on the island. If there is any
बताओ
way
आदमी
we
ने
can
भी
hack CCTV and use it to see inside compound,
भी
it
नहीं
is
करे
there. I have sent you the coordinates for where I think it is.
नहीं बे नहीं बे कैसे उड़ाना दा सिगांनियाव सिगांनि टावाराव थांनांगोन टावाराव थांनायनि उनाव मा मोननाय नांगोन ओ भाई बेनो टावारा ओ भाई मा मानसि दोङो बेयाव मा खिन्थु दोङो बे ओ फायगासिनो दोङो बे खिनि बा खमायनो नांगोन गाइस अबे खांबे अ खांबाय
I will need signals box to get patched in. Have a look around for it.
Tahu dengan gede ini. Ini baru mudah kena singo tuh dari tadi. Dashboard di signal box. Apa ya bisa nengen be. Sound rana rana bisa yang macam mana batai itu mana. Mana par singo ini. Ini.
Okay, let's have a look. The cameras may be new, but the system is old. Wires and circuits, Capitan. To give me access, you must connect the wires from the left to the right. You need to reach the target voltage number in the middle.
Bye. I think new ni. 59 हम नंगन देंगे. Where do we number? Pass number saya udah kan. Hai, siapa ni? Connected successful.
Perfect. I have the camera feed in front of me now. I have uploaded app to your phone for you to see too.
Use the signal app access security camera. Ini nama apa?
Okay, this must be
Oh,
inside
ini
the
apa?
compound. Looks like Mr. Rubio.
Rubio ya.
And Gustavo. He was at the plane.
Oh, bayi musa berang be.
You know, there is old Russian proverb.
Panther deng be.
Trust Charlie with Panther. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh no. This will sting.
Oh, bayi Panther bayi be. Bayi Panther dah bayi ke?
You see? This is a lesson to us all, I think. If your friend had known the Russian proverb, he would not be cat food now, yes?
Bayi jeng ni beri apa saja naik guys.
Here we go. We have business to attend to. Have a look through different cameras.
Different camera lain deh.
Probable location of files. It will be somewhere
Panther
highly
an
secure. I will look too from here.
Gari deng ni apa? Search the feed madrasa file bayi mudeng ya.
Basement. Reinforced walls.
Yes.
This is promising. Look around on the camera. Hard cash? Always welcome.
Bayi
I
ke
will mark location.
bisa pura guys. Oh, bayi. Imar. Ini mudeng be feed the madrasa file ini nama. Be wall. Be move baby. Ini be last gate, south gate, why south gate no south wall. Animal case. Enter. Country yard even one. Basement. Yo भैया के लिए
Bingo! Military grade safe with a dead drop cylinder. This must be it. We will need the security code. You cannot rely on finding it open like this. So we know location of files, but we still must find out how to get to basement. Keep looking through camera feeds.
Aku nak pindah nangan. As the camera feed basement. Yo dengan ini pisah apa?
Location noted.
We liking we lar. Beleg angle sensor
This looks like Mr. Rubio's office. And there, an elevator. It does not go up, so we know it must take him down to the vault. Ah, but look again. Fingerprint scanner. We will have to find a way to bypass this. There will be more to see on the other camera feeds, but we have the essentials. You can leave when you are ready. Ah, fine art.
Exit the camera.
For money laundering. I will mark location. Very good. We think we know where the files are kept. This is the vital information, but there will be much more to learn. Entrances and exits to find, tools, equipment, and of course the really important things. Cash, valuables, contraband. At the minimum, I suggest you look at the north dock before you leave. This is the one you passed on the way to the party. I suspect there will be much to learn there. Just do not let the guards see you. The less trouble we cause, the better.
Aku harus pindah nangan mau orang tu be boy. Yo lah sedang nangan.
2,000 years later.
So guys, apa sebab ni orang ada dengan saya? Aku nangan saya jago. Ni orang ya. Jadi orang nangan ni. Yo apa sebab sedang nangan be boy mah dunia ni siku jadi dengan mana kau bodyguard pun ni berai pasina. Tas taking ni checking di tasnya. Bodyguard kan anda mudeng. Jauh kan ni dengar. Ni khasnya apa sih kan be? Ni sugun apa ni? I almost.
You are at the northern dock, yes? Send me a photograph. I need to see the water and the dock side. Then I can make estimates for use as a possible infiltration point.
Camera foto देखने दे. ये बता करना. भाई नोआ बे ओ. Stand.
Photograph received. This would make good infiltration point, but as I suspected, we would need to acquire smaller vessel. My submarine is many things, Capitan, but small is not one of them. I am looking again at this picture, Capitan. Do you see the boat on the water? That is classic cartel transport craft. But what have they been transporting? Don't worry, this is a rhetorical question. Look around the warehouses nearby. We can make note of any stashes we find and swing by to collect them when we come for Mini Madrazo's files.
Một đòn gần thế. Ô vài nhiều đòn gì? King exit. Ini benar ke dia rasa? वेराव संबायबो जों फट' देखांनो दे केमेरामेन बनायना होबाय आंखि जागोन ना
As I suspected, all packaged up and ready to steal. If you find your way back here during the operation, you will be able to get into this lockup, no problem. And if we find the right tools nearby, you can do it silently.
माबा टुल नांगोन बेयाव
Have a good look around. Anything we can use to break the lock. Bolt cutters, perhaps. This kind of thing should be easy to find at the docks.
हिन्जाव दङ आरो नै रखदा दङ बेखायनो हेनांगोन दा थांनायखौ थाबाय थांदो गायनो गायनोबा गाइस मोनबाय बायबो केमेरा थांनांगोन बे बायबानो जिउन आखिनियाव Yes.
So, Capitan, you see the value of extra reconnaissance, yes? There may be other infiltration points to find on the island. Other tools, other resources, other stashes to raid. There is much to discover in paradise, yes? The longer you spend investigating now, the more options you have. Anything you find, just send me a photograph. When you are finished on the island, get back to the airstrip. Talk to the pilot. He will get you home. But don't worry. This party will be going on for a long time. You can return to island whenever you wish.
Oh, ini mah betul. Darang nang dengan guys new. Fighting.
Remember, you are not a pack mule. There is only so much you can carry. You want more? Bring friends.
By friends to get washing among the mamma.
Then of course there are the fields for Mr. Rubio's crop. For the party. All of these will have things to learn, things to log, but complete reconnaissance does not finish here. Look through the quiet areas, the secluded spots. These too will hold vital intelligence. You know, Capitan, this party was the perfect opportunity for this kind of operation. The guards must find drunk millionaires and celebrities wandering around all over the place. The perfect cover.
Dari dengan जोङो finally मार्कआव लेसन 200 थांफिननांगोन दा जा जों पार्टी जाबाय थागोन होनना बुंदों टेनसन गैया जिते सेते फैनांगोन इयाव दानो टाइम बे 5 थाखा बार जाना लानांगोन दाना बार जानो रास्ता no belum saja terus dengan nama apa? Oh iya udah nggak kasih tapi das sampai tanah kan tension gaya robo gaya deh जागा किन्तु बरिया भाई गाइस जागाया एकदम मजा जागा बुंना ini takwa mudeng hindu dong भाई bodyguard close bed sih nangin tuh ini sang ini tidak kenal nangin tuh Kinang ba dengan Ida ko mau dengar be. Kalau ini nuwa dari pertama. Kita lang nila bersama sini. Oh ibe mama sini be normal man sebe. Ini bodyguard nuwa. Ima hambai dari yo.
You are at the airstrip. Before you go, one more thing. Could make a very big difference. Take a look at Control Tower and send me a photograph. I need a close-up look at it.
Mau dengar भाई को tower हो यो dengar. Salah ini keamanan sih babe foto kameramen kan ना भाई foto dia kami tanang ini. Ini kita kan tanang kan. Mungkin siapa kamu teman? Yes,
This tower provides main coordinates of air defenses. You disable this when you are here for main operation, and we have some interesting options. Maybe we can bring in reinforcements. I have some contacts who would be interested, I think. Okay, that's the last essential piece of information. Whenever you are ready, Capitan, talk to the pilot and head for home. And of course, come back here for partying or peeping around whenever you wish, yes? A tour manager's job is never done.
Oh, you're on a rally. Mabade mana ini man? Pilot dia. Dengar size low center.
Ready to go? Enrique!
Enrique!
Leaving, are we? Yeah, no problem.
Nice.
I told you I was being a good boy. Practically sober. Straight, balanced, the ups and downs in perfect alignment. Yeah, it's a proper razorback there, but we are off-ski. Not even going back for one more tune, nah, not even a little one. Let's go then. No more boogies, no afters, no watching the sun come up over the ocean in the one place on the planet we can guarantee the marching powder won't run out. Ah, fuck it. You know what? I'm staying, geez. I don't care if I don't have a ride home. Dave will find a way. This thing ain't over yet. Let's have some!
Hardly ni pada baik. Kazung Thailand guys, Los Santos. Flight plane ke building nang be.
Mainland. I think we have a bright future on this island, Capitan. After the Madrazo job is done, perhaps we return self-employed, yes? Very promising. For now, the essential information is ours. I will inform Mini Madrazo. Come back to the sub when you are ready to start the next phase of preparations. And don't forget, you have open ticket back to the island. Perhaps there is more to find. Or perhaps you wish to listen to kind of music, huh? I do not blame you. We have time.
Guys, video ko majang nama like or share kalamna bi ini now next part of kalamgwn jange paki mission ke heist ni mission or maham bonanggan lagaman ke next video. Bye.